Okay, this is a Ripper Victory with a spool engine. LPR set at 55 and the HPR is set at 160. So 289, 283, 281, and 288, so about 285. And this one says 75.3. Okay, so this is the Ripper Victory again. This is the VIS engine. LPR set at 75. The HPR is just shy of 170. So 285, 284, and 280. And the dwell on both the VCOM spool engine and this one is set at 10. In case anybody cares. So there we go. This one says 81.7. And just for kicks. That one says 79.4, so about 80-ish. Sounds about right. Okay, now we're shooting a Luxe. 243, 288, 282, and 280. And that one's sitting at 72.4. So now we're going to do a stock axe. There is a little bit of ping. This is an old Myth regulator. So hopefully that won't mess up the sound. So that's 280. 284. 280. And 291. This one is 83.2. Okay, now we got a SP1. It's just stock. 291, 290, and 266. So 280 sounds good to me. Let's set this up. And that one says it's sitting at 82.5.